I'm Annabelle, and this is my second video of making recipes and crafts and all that fun stuff. And we're quarantined at home, no school, no nothing. Can't leave the house except like groceries and stuff. So I'm going to show you guys today how to make a delicious green smoothie for breakfast, lunch, maybe even dinner. I don't know when you guys will have it, but for me, I'm having it for breakfast because it's 9 o'clock right now. So let's go. So for today's smoothie, we're going to be making a green smoothie, and that's using like spinach and like green stuff. So broccoli maybe, stuff like that. This video will be kind of similar to the one I did before this, my first video, which was triple berry sorbet. That was really good. You should go check that out if you haven't already, and definitely try it. So I have my pineapple right here. I have a banana, and I have some spinach, and I'm gonna add a few more things when we get started. So yay! So now I'm going to add coconut milk ice cubes. You might have seen that I added that in the triple berry recipe, and we let you on a little secret about them. I'm going to also add some yogurt, and next I'm going to be adding almond milk, and I'm using almond milk, but you guys can use oat milk, regular milk, coconut milk, any milk really, or you can add like apple juice. I've added apple juice. It actually tastes good, but we don't have apple juice. So I'm just gonna pour a little bit in. You want too much because then it'll be like really liquidy. But you do want a liquid because it might not work as well in the blender. So now I'm gonna add some yogurt. You can use yogurt. Basically, this is like, wow. Time to blend.
I realized that the smoothie turned a little bit purplish from the berries, so I added 2 more handfuls of spinach, and we'll see how that works. Definitely turned more green, so I'm excited to try it. Woo!
Alright guys, it's time to pour for the taste testers. Alright. So today's taste tester is my sister Reagan. Yay! She just woke up, so she has a little bit of a bedhead, but who cares? Alright, go ahead. You can try it, and then you're going to rate it 1 to 10. Is it good? Alright, how would you rate it 1 out of 10? I mean, 1 to 10, not 1 out of 10, that would be bad. 1 being the worst, 10 being the best. What would you rate it?
10.
10? Reagan liked it, and I'm excited because I'm going to try it. Right. Sometimes when I make smoothies and I add like the same ingredients, they always taste different, so I don't know what it'll taste like now. Reagan says it's good. I believe her, but I want to see for myself. So, put it into this nice cup. Now I'm going to see how good it tastes. That is actually really good. I've never actually added pineapple, and it actually made it taste so good. I'm gonna make my mom try it. Okay, she'll be a taste tester. Yay. So my mom, I'm gonna see how she likes it because her favorite smoothies are in the world are green smoothies. She doesn't like regular smoothies, so. I got a chunk of pineapple. Let's go take it to her.
Okay, I'm gonna try it now. Ooh.
How would you
tropically.
rate it? 1 to 10.
8.5.
8.5? Reagan rated it a 10. I'd say 9.5.
I agree.
It's really good.
Delicious.
If you guys are wondering how to make coconut milk ice cubes, I'm going to show you how. Pretty easy. All you need is coconut milk, a freezer, and an ice cube tray. So the first thing you're gonna do is put coconut milk into the ice cube tray, and then you're gonna freeze it, and then that's how you make coconut milk ice cubes. And here's what they look like. And I love this ice thingy. Oops. Because like they're just so fun to pop up, and it's like so soothing. They're a good snack too. Oh, and please let me know in the comments what you would like us to show you next, because we want to know if we should do a craft and what craft, if we should do another cooking, oh my god, if we should do baking, or just leave down in the comments of what we should do. Alright guys, that concludes the video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please try our triple berry sorbet. See y'all next time. Bye.